Sound check, test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic. And hope clear yung sounds ko, no? Recording sounds, no? Okay. Our topic today is about the pipe fittings. Pipe fittings. Yung topics natin, it's part din ng, sa part 2 pa rin tayo, no? Sanitation, plumbing, design, and installation ng Master Plumber Board Exam. No? Ito yun, part 2, involve yung pipe fittings. So, lecture series tayo. No? Kung ano yung nasa libro, nasa reviewer, we just read it. No? But may mga definitions kasi doon na then standards, the minimum, the maximum, height, length, width, flow rate, yan. Dimensions. So, yun, mga tinatanong sa board exam. Kaya, that's the way, hopefully makatulong yung part by part ng pag-review ko kaysa magbuklat ko kayo ng libro. Basahin na lang natin to read this video with the following videos ng lecture series. After that, this plumbing codes naman yung gagawin ko. Nagawan ko na yung part 3. Medyo yung ina-encode ko matagal kaya I set alternatives kung paano gawin yun. Ito na lang, kinapture ko din. I hope malinaw. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, no, please subscribe to this channel, BRICE Academy and Consultancy. Is the YouTube channel and my Facebook account at BRICE_AC. Ilalagay ko na lang yung mga link para sa mga yan. Meron pa din TikTok and Instagram and TikTok. Yun, before we proceed, please subscribe to MCGI channel, the best principles in economics, MCGI channel, and sa mga magre-review for the environmental planning board exam yan. Greenfriendforever. Nag-upload siya. Nag-umpisa pa lang naman siya. Pero may mga reviewer na ina-upload siya. Kakapasa niya lang last year. No? Sige po. Para hindi tayo magtagal. Start this one. The pipe fittings. Yan. What's pipe fittings or fitting? Device used to connect one or more pipes and or used to change the direction of a straight line run of pipe. Codes require that any changes of direction of piping in a drainage system should have a radius of curvature large enough to prevent solids from accumulating and to provide good hydraulic flow characteristics. These fittings are known as drainage fittings or sanitary type fittings. They are required by the code to be used in drainage systems. Bent piping does not require drainage pattern fittings. Okay, this is the type of fittings. The bend or the sweep. A fitting used to change the direction, especially in sanitary drainage system. A one-port bend is a 90-degree fitting, which is available as either a short sweep or long sweep. Example, short or long radius curvature. A 1/8 bend is a 45 fitting and the 1/16 bend is a 22.5 fitting. This is the example of one-port bend. Yan. 90 degree siya. 1/8 bend. 1/8 bend. 45 degree. Ito naman 1/6 ba ito? 60 degree and 118 na 22.5 degree. Return bend by fitting, which provides 180 degree change in direction. Elbow fitting having a 90 degree bend in direction with a very short radius is suitable for use in water supply system and bend system. Nagkapalit lang yung picture. No? Ito yung return bend, ito yung elbow. No? This is the return bend, this is the elbow. Yung nasa taas. Straight elbow, an elbow having both ends internally threaded and of the same diameter. Street or service elbow, a malleable iron fitting for threaded pipe, having a 45 degree or 90 degree bend with an inside thread on one end and an outside thread on the other end. Ito yun. Dito yung out. Dito yung isa, inside thread. Ito naman, outer. Yan, yung nasa gilid is the outside thread. Yan, straight side elbow. Next fitting is the Y or Y branch. Sometimes they call this V. May matawag na V. A Y fitting used to connect branch pipe into a straight run of piping an angle at a 45-degree angle. Ys are available with end connections that are of the same size or with various combinations of reduced pipe size in any directions. Okay, combination Y branch, single fitting with a combination of Y branch and 1/8 bend. Used in drainage system in changing the direction of such from horizontal branch to stack or from vertical stack to horizontal house drain or building drain. Upright Y combination, a one-piece fitting composed of 1/8 bend and Y branch where the branch is inlet is parallel to the drum. Used when two stacks are provided, where one stack is used as a bent and the other for soil or waste or both soil or waste stack. Inverted Y combination. Tingnan lang natin konti, baka malakas yung background. Inverted Y combination, a combined fitting composed of 1/8 bend and a Y branch, but the branch inlet is provided with spigot rather than bend. This used in lieu of ventilation system usually installed at the uppermost portion of the bend stack or main bend. So yan, magkaiba siya. No? Pag naka-inverted yun, yung hub niya dito yan, tinatawag nila na spigot. Ito naman yan. Ayan, tingnan mo, iba. No? T. The next is T. Used to connect a branch pipe to a straight run of piping at a right angle. Where flow characteristics are important, such as in the drainage system, code requires that a sanitary T be used. Straight T, T having all openings the same size. So, magkaiba siya, no? Though T is used to branch pipe into a straight line of piping at a right angle, where flow characteristics are important, such as in the drainage code requires the sanitary TBU. So yan, type of T, straight T. All openings have the same size. Straight T or service T. Straight T or service T. Malleable iron fitting for threaded pipe in the form of T, having an outside thread on one end and an inside thread on the other end on the branch. Sanitary T, a T used as a fitting for soil pipe designed with a slight curve in 90-degree transition so as to channel flow from branch line toward the direction of the main flow. Sanitary cross T, type of cross pipe used as fitting designed with a slight curve in the 90-degree transition so as the channel flow from a branch line toward the direction of the main flow. Yun, sanitary tree. Yan, isa lang yung kanyang transition, no? Yung, then ito naman dalawa. Pag cross T na, kasi cross nga. Top T, a bell and T, which sa branch that is tapped to receive a threaded pipe fitting or a threaded pipe. So, inside thread siya, kaya siya top T. Or tinatawag na bell and T, which siya sa brand that is a tap to receive a threaded pipe fitting or a threaded pipe. Okay lang, check ko lang kung tuloy-tuloy tayo. O, tuloy-tuloy naman ang ating pagre-record. Next is coupling, a short internally threaded section of pipe used to join two pipes is provided with a tiny ridge inside the surface of the fitting to allow pipe to sit. Yan, baka magkalito kayo no, sa coupling, union, patente, union, bushing. Ayan, mga may pagkakaiba yan. Next one is the socket. It has similar application as the coupling, but its ends are enlarged to provide additional mechanical strength. So, mas malaki yung end niya no, sa socket, sa coupling, yung socket. Adapter, a type of fitting to connect pipes of different materials, such as from galvanized steel pipe to plastic or synthetic pipe. Galvanized pipe being threaded and the plastic pipe having no threads. Type of transition, fitting. Yun. Nipple, short length of pipe with external threads at each end used to join coupling or fittings. Yan, isa pa yan sa pampanito, no? Coupling, yan, hindi naman coupling, oh. Then, nipple, pati socket, yan. Kita nyo sa itsura pa lang malalaman na. Closed nipple, a type of nipple having both ends externally threaded. Open nipples or shoulder nipples, type of nipple having both ends externally and the midsection unthreaded. Yun, dalawang may thread na medyo malabo lang, no? Pero yan, makikita naman. May thread sa kabilang dulo pero may gitna hindi. Ito, cap, an internally threaded fitting used to close the end of pipe. Ito pa, plug, magkakaiba ng plug, cap, and bushing. Externally threaded, usually with square head, used to close the end of pipe. Parehas silang mag-close ng si cap sa kasi plug, parehas. Ang purpose niya is to close the end of the pipe. Si cap naman, internally threaded, fitting, then, while the plug is externally threaded, usually with square head. Yun, ito sa taas. And bushing, a pipe which is threaded on both the inside and the outside, so that it can be used to connect two pipes or other fittings of different sizes. Yun. Yan pala yung bushing, no? Threaded both internally and externally. Used to connect different sizes of fittings or two pipes. Yan, bushing uli. A pipe. Okay, bushing. Ay na pala yan. Flange, hindi ko natanggal. Flange, a fitting with a projecting collar along the edge. Used on installation requiring an increased area coverage for added mechanical strength. Ito pa, union patente or union. A pipe fitting used to connect the ends of two pipes, neither of which can be turned. Consists of three pieces. The two end pipes having an inner thread, which are tightened around the pipe ends to be joined, and the center of the piece, which draws the two end pieces together as it is rotated, affecting the seal. Oh, parang may pagkakaparehas yung using, no? Magkalito tayo dyan. Tingnan natin, Balikan lang natin. Bushing. Ito, open nipples, no? Magkakaiba naman siya sa figure at sa meaning. Type of nipple having both ends externally and main midsection unthreaded. Then, ito naman bushing. Medyo malayo naman siya. No? So, meron lang pagkakaiba. Pero naman. Ito namang union patente pipe fitting used to connect the two ends of pipes, neither of which can be turned. Consists of three pieces. Two ends having inner threads. So, yan. Inner threads yung union patente. Dalawang gabila. Pero yung ito ba to? Open nipples ends externally naman. Both ends externally. Hindi na kasi sinasabing may thread siya sa both ends, no? Yun. Union below. Next. Pipe elbow. Union elbow, sorry. Pipe elbow having a union type coupling on one end so that the coupling end may be connected to other end of the pipe without running the pipe. Yun. So, yan. May thread siya, no? Internally thread kagaya nito ng union. Pero elbow type siya para sa pag-connect. Bend offset, a change in direction of the pipeline other than 90 degree. Example given by a combination of elbows or bends, which brings one section of the pipe out of line with but a line parallel to another section. Reducer or increaser, no? Reducer sa increaser. Pipe fitting, which with inside threads larger at one end and than the other. Larger at one end than at the other. Increaser, a tapered coupling used for joining a pipe to another of larger size. Parehas lang sila actually. Pero may mga ano yan. Ito yan, reducer. Ito, from large to small. Ito naman, pag na-increase mo, from small to large. Pero yung magkaiba yung itsura niyan na tawag dito fittings. Properties of pipes and other piping materials. Let's see again. Baka hindi natutuloy yung record. Ay, yung ano natin. Yun, okay naman. Sige lang. Next one. Properties of pipes and other piping materials. Number 1, malleability. A property of metal that permits mechanical deformation by extrusion, forging, rolling, etc. without fracturing. Number 2, hardness. The resistance of material to deformation, compression, or indentation. 3, brittleness, the property of a material which fractures under low stress without appreciable deformation. Number 4, ductility, property of a material described as capable of being stretched or deformed without fracturing. Number 5, elasticity, property of material that enables it to deform in response to an applied force and to recover its original size and shape upon removal of the force. And number 6, weatherability. The property of material is enables to retain its appearance and integrity when exposed to effects of the sun, wind, moisture, and changes in temperature. Number 7, abrasion resistance. Property of material that enables it to resist being worn away by friction when rubbed with another object. Number 8, impact resistance. The resistance of a surface or a material to shock, such as hard blow. Number 9, corrosion resistance. The property of a piping material that enables it not to wear away by rusting or by the action of chemicals. Number 10, acid resistance or chemical resistance, the degree of which surface such as porcelain enamel which resist to attack by acids. 11, thermal conductivity, the rate of transfer of heat by conduction. Number 12, thermal expansion, the change in length or volume which material or body undergoes being heated. Number 13, thermal resistivity, an index of material resistance to the transition of heat. 14, fire resistance, the capacity of material or construction to withstand fire or give protection from it. 15, electrical conductivity, ability of material to conduct electricity. 16, tear resistance, the property of a material that allows it to resist being torn apart or for it to be divided into 2 pieces. 17 heat resistance, the ability of piping material to withstand the effect of heat without causing deformation to the material. 18 flow resistance, characteristics of materials that causes resistance of liquid to flow. 19 pressure resistance, resistance of material to rupture caused by overpressure, air or liquid inside the pipe. So yan, that's it for the topic, the pipe fittings. The next lecture natin is the plumbing bulbs, which is also still a part of the part 2, sanitation, plumbing design, and installation in the master plumber for the exam. 40% siya. So, ginagawa natin is lahat ng scope, almost all, no? Hopefully all ng scope ng sanitation, plumbing design, installation, matackle natin. It's either lecture or Q&A. Sa mga gusto mag-avail ng Master Plumber Reviewer PDF files yan, 300 only yan. Message na lang po ako to sa video na to o sa other videos or sa email, no? O pwede rin sa Facebook page, yan, Instagram or TikTok, no? Please follow us and help me reach 1,000 subscribers in my Facebook account, no? Thank you very much and have a great day. Good luck po and hopefully makatulong itong pag-review nyo sa pagpasa sa Master Plumber Board exam. Thank you very much and have a great day. Pero bago pa pala yan, no? Umalis, syempre, yan, for comment, for increase. Ito pala, the last one. For inquiries, comments, and suggestions. And of course, kung may corrections, no? Pwedeng mag-comment sa video na to. Sa lahat ng video na pinapanood nyo, kung meron kayo nakikita, comment, please comment. O pwede rin naman, email, price@academy.consultancy@gmail.com and to this number, no? Sa mga number na yan. Pwede rin sa Facebook account po, yan. Lastly, yan na talaga. Yan, GCASH, Paymaya, and COINSPH. Ito po yung number ko sa mga willing or gustong mag-donate. Any amount are very much appreciated. Yun, andyan daw. And see you in the next session, the plumbing bulbs. Thank you very much and have a great day sa inyong lahat.